Representative says it appears Orleans Parish Sheriff Susan Hudson broke the law after her office mistakenly released an inmate and didn't notify the public immediately.
Chris Joseph spoke with the co-author of the law.
Shockingly, it wasn't listed in law because it seems like it's common sense.
New Orleans Democratic Representative Mandy Landry teamed up with Jefferson Parish Republican Debbie Villio to pass a bill which requires jail leaders to immediately report escapes or inmates who leave the jail without authority to local law enforcement, media, witnesses, and victims. Lawmakers took it up this summer after 10 inmates broke out of the Orleans Parish Jail. It took the jail hours to discover the escape, and the bill breezed through the legislature.
You know, I never thought I would see the day where we had to legislate common sense.
Just a month after it became law, Landry says it appears Orleans Parish Sheriff Susan Hudson already broke it. Hudson says jail staff released Khalil O'Brien when they shouldn't have on Friday. A source tells Fox 8 Bryan got out around 1:15 in the morning. Yet the sheriff's office didn't notify the public until 14 hours later.
If someone walked out of that facility that should not have walked out of that facility, the sheriff's office has to notify everyone, any witness, any victim, or the media as soon as possible.
Both Metropolitan Crime Commission President Rafael Goyeneche and at-large council member Helena Moreno gave similar views.
The notification piece to me is incredibly alarming. So now the sheriff is in violation of this law that passed this session.
District Attorney Jason Williams has been an outspoken critic of Hudson, but says his office is still investigating.
Still pulling at those threads to see what's uncovered.
Landry acknowledged she may need to edit the law to specify releases next session, but says she believes the law applies in this case.
Now, Hudson accepted responsibility for the release in a press conference immediately after the news broke. Her team did not make anyone available today for an interview related to the law. Meanwhile, Representative Mandy Landry told us the state attorney general or the Orleans Parish District Attorney could ultimately enforce this law. While the DA says he's still investigating, Attorney General Liz Murrell's office just released a statement saying just a few minutes ago, calling the situation an improper release, but acknowledged she does not have all the information.